name is Dane Brehm. I'm a local 600 DIT and Cintegral production technologist, and my job is workflow. A production technologist is the ultimate facilitator. They are where production and technology meet, both for the human element to allow us to film in a very expeditious way, and then also to allow technology, camera, lighting, sound, the streaming element to be optimized for that given production. We are filming a second unit of a production that takes place in Los Angeles, but they're filming in New Zealand. In the past, we would have a very standalone type of workflow where we would shoot autonomously. Everyone would be in the same space together and we would all work it out. But now we're taking that footage and uploading it to either a cloud or streaming that data directly to a post team that might be in another country. Some of the challenges that we encounter have more to do with the hardware. But what we're seeing now is that we're more interconnected than we've ever been. I chose OWC products because I had a relationship with OWC. Larry O'Connor, the CEO, has been a supporter of DITs. We tend to work on episodic and studio production.
People choose OWC over a multitude of competitors because of the OWC difference. Customers are users. They need a solution. We're here to provide that solution, and we're here to make sure that solution works for them.
Because of that relationship, because of that support and their desire to create tools for professionals at the highest possible level, really gives me a lot of confidence.
We build solutions for everybody, but knowing that people who are in mission-critical production environments that absolutely depend on everything to work 100% of the time, choose and trust OWC, it's great to see people benefiting and using those solutions in the field.
One OWC products that I tend to gravitate towards is the ThunderBay. It's a small, compact, very fast Nvme solid state drive that has Thunderbolt. It has a massive heat sink on side of it. Also fits into a much smaller space like my DIT cart. Comes with a case, power supply, cable, a plug and play, ready to go solid state drive. Allows me to offload that camera data as fast as possible. And the fact that it's getting 2,000 megabytes a second really allows the filmmakers who I'm working with to shoot in any manner that they see fit, whether it's high speed, where it's dialogue, where it's continuous shooting for 8 terabytes, 16 terabytes, 32 terabytes in a day. I know that I'm going to get consistent performance. Consistency is a huge part of your reputation. And the Flex 8 was a design, a share a little bit between myself and OWC, where we ended up putting together my ultimate Christmas list of items that I need inside of a RAID, and to have an all-in-one system. The USB-C port, USB-A ports, we can have a fast U.2 Nvme inside of there. We can have 7 disks that are our master RAID 5 that allows us to keep our data safe, but also transfers at a very fast rate. The Flex 8 is a really powerful product, and a lot of our clients like the flexibility that it creates. And as an extension of the Flex 8, we have the U.2 interchange system, a new U.2 Shuttle that fits inside of the Helios 3S. It goes up to 32 terabytes. It's absolutely massive. So now we have a workflow where we can park a Helios 3S system in post-production, and then we have the Flex 8 on set with both our U.2 and our RAID, which is dumping to both simultaneously, and then we can remove the U.2 interchange system and send it off with our Teamster or ship it. And sometimes that's a lot faster than trying to upload 4 terabytes, 8 terabytes, or more per day to a remote post-production facility. It's very flexible and it's really designed to be an ecosystem ultimately. The OWC products have really helped shape my career in the last few years. OWC has fostered a new paradigm for working professionals in terms of data and how they push that data along, and also what their expectations are, what the expectations of producers are, what the expectations of DITs, colorists, editors. It's a win-win-win across the board. We have a really strong motto, which is fast drive, save lives, and OWC products have allowed that to be true in every way, shape, and form, to get people done with their day, to get them moved on. I mean, it all just allows the creative process to foster.
Our solutions are there to make things happen, and our team is here to make sure the technology is there to enable that creativity, support everything that you're doing in a way where you're not worried about the technology. I can't say we don't feel good knowing that we have been chosen, we are depended on, and we continue to be depended on and are a part of these projects. And we certainly do everything every day, both on the support side and on the engineering side, so that trust is always there. OWC, the speed to create, the capacity to dream.